Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you about a new feature that I just saw on Google Classroom for the first time that I think a lot of you are going to like and use a lot. So I was playing around in Google Classroom, getting ready for my next class, and I saw this little Gemini education icon over here, and I believe it had a little blue dot on it, which generally indicates that there's something new. And that caught my attention, so I clicked on it, opened up the Gemini for Education apps that are included in Google Classroom. And this one down here, Generate Text Dependent Questions, was marked as new. And I'm like, all right, I've never seen that before. Let's look at what that is about. So I clicked on the arrow and all right, generate text dependent questions, grade level, number of questions, let's say 9. 5 questions, mixture of multiple choice and short response. Let's go making inferences and evaluating arguments. These are just what the questions are going to focus on. I can paste my text in this box, or I can upload that text directly from Drive. And let's say I'm just going to add an Algebra 1 text. Find that. So I'll add a PDF of our textbook. Right, so now it is going to use that as the basis for these questions, and I'm going to just ask it to make those questions. It'll take a little bit to do this, but that's fine. It's going to save you a ton of time because the really cool feature is at the end. All right, so here are those questions. All right, it generated those questions based on the text. Now, maybe you don't like the questions, maybe you do. It's probably going to be really good for creating quizzes. But notice this blue pill-shaped button on the side, export questions, and notice the little triangle pointing down. That's an indication that you have more than one option. And when I saw that, I'm like, what? I wonder what those options are. You can export these questions to docs, or you can export them directly to a Google form. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to show you just how fast this works. It takes those 5 questions that it created, and just like that, I can create a Google form. This will save you tons of time, tons and tons of time. This is going to change how quickly you can get things done as you prepare for class. Really is going to make a big difference, I think. I think a lot of you are going to enjoy using this. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.